In this video, I'm going to show you how you can zoom in on Inshot. So the Inshot app is a free editor that you can use on your mobile phone to edit videos and photos as well. And you can also create collages, right? But if you want to zoom in on a video, you want to click on the video icon, of course, and then select the video that you want to do this for. So I'm just going to click on that one right there, which is a random video that I probably made for the channel that you're watching right now. But step number one, like if you want to zoom in, you have all of these different edit sections, right? So you have crop, which you can use to zoom in, like you can do it like that, for example. But the best way to do this is to click on canvas right there. And then as you can see right there at the top, it says pinch to zoom. So hold the screen with 2 fingers and then simply like do the zoom movement, if you get what I mean. You can also click right there. For example, you can choose no frame or choose any of these if that helps, and then you'll see this green bar at the bottom. If you do it, if you swipe it to the left, it will zoom out. If you swipe it to the right, it will zoom in. And with your finger, you can then decide the movement, so you can decide where you want to zoom in. So if we just go back to normal, if I just do that and then no frame, or just go back once again because I actually cropped it, select the video, canvas, no frame. This is the original video. Once again, if you want to zoom in, click on canvas and then pinch to zoom in. So pretty much do that, and that's exactly how you can zoom in on Inshot, right? So right now I just zoomed in, and that's exactly how you can do that. If this video helps you out, make sure you go ahead and leave a like. Let me know if it works in the comments down below, and then I'll see you next time.